fantastic. That is curry paste made. You've never seen it before on the internet. This is the modern version, so easy to make. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing an internet first, a YouTube first. We're making a Chinese curry paste, a takeaway curry paste. Now this is a first because this is a modern version, not the old-fashioned way that we used to make it in the takeaway. And there is a link on the channel right now for my old recipe, which has been copied many times. This has never been seen before. It's an easy way, and someone contacted me the other day and said, can I make a curry paste? Well, yes I can, and I'm going to make it an easy way, a quick way. We're not boiling a big cauldron of oil and chucking loads of flour in. It's a scaled down recipe, easy to make, can be stored in the fridge for 2 weeks, or you freeze it in curry paste portions and it lasts for about 6 months. However, it's such a small amount that you're going to use it up. All curry pastes, which no one tells you, have a fruit base. They have a fruit base in. All the Japanese curry blocks and everything have a fruit base. This is a banana. You know it's a banana, come on. Blender jug, banana in there. This is coconut milk in a carton. My favourite brand, Roy D. Use any brand. Full recipe list in the ingredients as per usual on the blender. Lid on and blend. It's just like making a coconut banana milkshake. Done. Now all curry pastes, blocks, anything like that are oil and flour based. This is oil. Use any oil you like. Veg oil, palm oil, don't use olive oil. This is regular all-purpose or plain flour. We are going to give it a stir in. We are going to get a lovely little paste. Now there's no heat on yet. Now put the flame on, nice and gently. And the way we're doing this is, if you heat up the oil, put the flour in, it could blow up. I don't mean blow up and bang, but it will come up and fizz up, and you could get hurt. So we're just going to cook this flour like this for about 2 minutes, no more. So we're just going to warm it up, let it have a few bubbles, keep giving it a stir so it doesn't stick. Easy really. Now I will be using MSG in this recipe. If you don't want to use it, it's completely optional, don't use it. So we're going to get a few little bubbles around there. It's starting to bubble up, if you can see that. Starting to bubble, it's cooking. Just give it a little minute. Don't let it burn. So don't have your flame too high. Then we're going in with our curry powder and give that a little stir, and we're going to be swapping to a spoon. Soy sauce, MSG, no particular order. Korean flakes, I'll show you that in a minute after we've stirred it all in. Onion powder, 5 spice, sugar. Start to give it a stir, we don't want to burn this. Stir that in and you will smell those spices cooking in there with that flour. Make sure your flame's not too high. I want a good heaped tablespoon tomato puree. I'll just stir that through. Want about a teaspoon of orange zest. That's in there. Okay, and now we need to be adding our banana coconut milk. Get our milkshake in there. Fabulous. Give it a stir and bring it all together. Make sure it's not sticking on the bottom. Don't worry about this, it's all going to go to a paste in a minute. This is why you need a good spoon or a very good spatula, because we've got to give it a good stirring in as it's cooking through. And we have to cook it, it's got coconut milk in. Now, you have to keep giving it a stir, we don't want to burn it. And your flame has to be really low while we cook a little bit of this paste. What does it taste like? Don't be frightened, it's only a curry paste. Very mild curry, very mild chili heat, very mild actually. But you know, we don't want a strong spicy curry. Fruity. Tremendous, got a little bit of orange through there, you got the five spice, you got the curry powder. That is fantastic. That is curry paste made. You've never seen it before on the internet. This is the modern version, so easy to make. I'm sure there's going to be thousands of copies. There you go. This is the chili powder that I'm using. Red pepper powder, it's Korean, by Nong Chim. I'll put a link in the thing, you know, and you can go look at it. This paste is storable now in the fridge, but obviously there's too much of a quantity there to store in the fridge. You want about 2.5 tablespoons per 350 ml of fluid to make a curry. So you've got quite a few curries there very quickly for 5 minutes work. Just store frozen like that, take it like that and put it in a bag frozen, and then when you come out you just take it out like that, dump it, let it defrost and dump it in your pan. So that's all it is, like that. That's your portions. Okay, so we're not going to make a curry as such, we'll make a beef curry tomorrow and upload it. I'm going to show you how the curry paste comes together so you know it's a genuine recipe. We can go in there with a little bit of oil. Now you would have some oil in for your curry paste. You will be cooking your veg in there. That is our curry paste. Now you would have your stuff in there and you would stir fry it a little minute with whatever. And then you would go in with about 300 mils of chicken stock cube, stock water, and you would just give it a little stir and it's going to dissolve and it's going to thicken up. It's as easy as that. Don't forget the curry paste is actually cooked. So give it a stir, these will dissolve. Harder to dissolve like this because if it was wrapped around whatever you were cooking and you were stirring, it would obviously dissolve quicker. Obviously the more paste you put in, stronger flavour and it thickens quicker, because you've got more flour going in and obviously you've got more flavour. Like that. is a lovely curry sauce. If you imagine that with everything in there, beautiful. Easy as that. Flame off. What's it taste like? What's it taste like? Look at that. Look how lovely and lush that is. Ooh, this thing is red hot, look. Tastes like a Chinese curry. Just watch the salt levels on this stuff. This could carry it and take it too salty, depending on the brand that you use. So look at that. Don't worry, I've eaten off this spoon, but you know, I just want to show you the consistency of this. Look at that. That is a fantastic Chinese curry sauce made right there at home. The first on the internet. There you go. Could eat this with chips or stick some bread in. Fantastic. So there you are. If you like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.